How to change time on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change time on Android phone. First in open settings, and now just click here, search, and then just type date, and here we'll find the date and time. Click on it, and if you want to change it, just turn off this one and just type here your time, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to change time on Android phone. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.